So, what is it to live in the RV resort? After almost a couple of months here in Cypress Woods, I have some idea, and I'll show you around and see what it's all about. So let's take a bike ride to the park, and I'll point out a few things. What is normally expected at I would say probably 4-star RV resort. You're gonna expect to find a security gate. We're gonna cut 2 corners over here. On the right hand side in this resort we have an office and rec center, so let's take a look inside. Here's our little exercise room. No mirrors, so machines are all what you see. Weights, a couple of pool tables, one of our 2 pools. I understand the pools are heated. However, this morning was the first time that I actually saw someone swimming. This is one of the smaller pools, and of course there's a hot tub as well. Well maintained, very clean, and just because this is a smaller one, so it's not used very often. So we're gonna bypass the second gate because we can. This is a golf cart trail. The vehicle, actually, the mode of transportation inside the park are the golf carts for the most part. I would guess that there's about half of the population has a golf cart, and that is used inside the park to commute between the rec center and pools and friends and whatnot. So cars are not used that frequently. We have 2 ponds, I guess you call them, and their park is very well maintained. We have a landscaping crew is here every day. I've seen them by the pool every morning blowing leaves and trying to prevent stuff falling into the water. But the park is extremely well maintained. I understand the HOA fees are maybe high to some degree, but I don't know the exact number, but they do seem to spend a fortune on the yard work here. But the landscaping is wonderful. I love it, especially at night when everybody turns their porch lights or their landscaping lights. It's a typical Florida. Palm trees, lights, and just a beautiful evening to spend outside of a glass of wine. So let's take a look at our community center, where there's the bigger pool and conference rooms and bingo halls and things like that. In this circle we have mail delivery. Everybody gets, every lot gets their own box, and mail is delivered daily. Also, we have a trash and recycling center here. Everybody brings their own for collection. And this is our second rec area, or big pool. We come here every morning just about 8:30 or so to do our lap swim. It's just beautiful. There's a 9:30 usually class, water aerobics I think they call them, and so they occupy the pool for the most part. About so what else is inside the rec area? There's actually a good size library. You pick up the book. Pretty deserted. We have bring one, you drop your own if you want to exchange or whatever. Pickleball and a large laundromat. Again, everything is. And I don't know, there's some kind of shuffleboard I think over there. I don't know what that's called. Trash. This is all. But these are just our feeling that rec area. Everybody's a homeowner here, which actually just about everybody. Everything is privately owned. All the lots are privately owned. So the only thing missing here to make it a 5-star, I think, would be a golf course. But I don't know what the qualifications are to be a 4-star resort, but I think this is pretty close. 3 types of units here. One is fifth wheeler, that most of them basically sit here. The other unit is prefabs. I call them prefab homes. And the third version is Class A motorhomes. How they are divided numerically, I would say about a third of RVs are Class A motorhomes, a third are fifth wheelers, and about a third are the prefabs. So this lot is filled up for the most part. Seems like everybody has made it down from a snow country. Very quiet here. Just people are extremely friendly. Everybody's really nice. It's just chatty. They like to talk. Everybody likes to talk. Maybe a result. I mean, COVID has something to do with it, where we kind of missed the companionship. Gazebo in the middle is actually, we learned it was built by a group of friends who reside on this cul-de-sac. So they're just something they just wanted to do. So let's look at around some more. So this resort has about 500 lots, I guess 499 to be exact. They're all individually owned. Most owners, maybe a third of them actually live here year-round.